So I've got a good master grip on my gun, lock that slide to the rear, seat lock, tug, cycle, press check, hammer down and holster. So folks see that process and they say, Mick, when you reload, you're gonna press check. Never have I ever press checked when I needed to reload my gun quickly, because that is a compartmentalized process. So don't misunderstand and don't combine the two. Completely different. Just like you can drive your car slow through a drive-through, and you can haul ass down the freeway, yet the same vehicle and the same driver does it. Everything's important, everything matters. That's what our friend Dave Harrington says. Do the right thing at the right time, every time. When folks don't understand things like an administrative loading process, and I don't care how badass that person thinks they are, they've told me that they don't really know what they're doing or talking about. There's a process and there's a reason for that process. Seat lock, tug, cycle, press check, hammer down, or thumb check and holster if you're not shooting a hammer-fired gun. How many times have you reloaded, especially when you're trying to go quick and it doesn't work well? Well, guess what? We're gonna give you 5, 6, 7 tips right now that are gonna make you fantastic at reloading your gun.